Right, hello ladies and gentlemen. I'll take you on to our second tutorial about the hose pump and repair form that we have on the website. As I explained last time, to get to this, please log in with your site email address and the password 123456. I will just use a dummy account to start this off. There we go. Seems there might be a bit of a slow network here, but anyway. Okay, so we get to the home page as usual and we click on the pump repair report. So basically this is in two sections. This will record first of all pump being bought by the company from the supplier and entered into the system, and then a record of it being sold to the customer. And then the second part, which we'll get to, is where the pump is returned to us for a repair, and you can add as many repair forms to the pump record as you require, and so we end up with a complete history of that particular pump. So let's quickly enter a new pump. As for the other ones, we click on the red box on the top right hand side, new pump entry. As before, there are certain fields that require data to be put in, otherwise you can't move on. So let's start off with entering the pump. So go date in stock, let's make that 1st of November. Right, next field, which is warehouse. This is the where we're keeping the pump for sale. Presumably it will be Tema, Tarqua, something like that, or Cossado. So let's put Tema for this one. Next field, which is the make. Let's make this a Samoa model. I'll make something up here, but whatever, P45. We've got two fields, one called the OEM part serial number and the HGS serial number. This is going to be the unique number so that we can identify the pump when it is returned for repair. On some pumps, I think the Lincoln ones, it already comes with a, for a better word, a chassis plate in which there is a serial number. Some other pumps will not have this, and you'll have to stamp on the body of the pump a unique serial number. I've not yet decided what that sequence will be, but in the meantime I'm sure we can make something up. So let's assume that it has come with a OEM serial number, 12356, and for the sake of good order we also add our own serial number, 23456. Description, press pump. As I said, I'm no expert in this and I'm sure you know what you're talking about. Problem, failed O-ring, cause O-ring disintegrated. Work done. Replace O-ring. Next, and then as for the previous forms, you have an option to upload pictures and photographs. Please do make sure these photographs are less than 2 megabytes. If they're more than this, then you need to go back to your device, your mobile phone or whatever you use to take the pictures, and go to the settings and decrease the size of the photos. That's usually one of the first settings in the photo section. And once all that's done, click finish. So now we have a pump entered, and we also have a list of the repairs that have been done to it. If you wish to see the repairs, you can open it up as a PDF, you can send it to a customer, as an email, or we just keep it in the database. You can also edit it by going to the orange square and delete it, but I think that is an administrator function. So let's just have a look at the PDF report. Oh, there it is. So it came down behind me there, so open that up. And there's the full report. There is a section there where you can print it out and sign it if you want to give a hard copy to the customer. Otherwise, you can just email this directly to the customer. I'm sure that will be fine. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. Please let me know if there are any problems or you have any difficulties using it, and I look forward to seeing you again for the next tutorial.